2018, and the subject is foreign and public policy, and the topic is methods of foreign policy. There are some methods that are used in making foreign policy, maintaining foreign policy by any country, that are internationally approved methods. So they include trade, diplomacy, sanctions, military or defense, intelligence, foreign aid, global environmental policy. So I would say these are, for example, I will discuss one by one. Trade. What is trade basically? Trade means the method or the way of exchanging products in return of money or against money between two countries across the borders. So it is called trade. Trade, it can be, it might be between Pakistan or India, it might be between Pakistan or China, it might be between Pakistan or Afghanistan, or it might be between America or India. So trade can be happen between two countries or more than two countries, so that is called trade. So that is the trade. So trade is the foremost method of foreign policy. Then comes diplomacy. Diplomacy means, for example, Pakistan has to maintain the relation with, for example, let me tell you, China has to maintain the relation with Pakistan to fulfill its international domestic needs or international needs. So it has to maintain the diplomatic relations with Pakistan, and it also has to, whether China, like India or America is not has not on good terms with China nowadays, because it supports Pakistan, it helps Pakistan always at the back of Pakistan. So but still China has to maintain the diplomatic relations with India or America, and also with Pakistan, whether Pakistan is the enemy of America or China, America or India. So it doesn't matter. Diplomatic relations basically means one country has to maintain the diplomatic relations with two enemy countries, just because for the sake of their interest in international policy, in international international affairs, so that it can fulfill its domestic needs. Then comes sanctions. Sanctions, we all know that sanction means punishment. If, for example, I would quote here, Austin says, law is backed by sanction. Law is backed by sanction. It means if someone has to fulfill some duty, has to fulfill its obligation, and it does not fulfill its duty, so he has to pay the fine, or he has to he will be punished by the law. So that is sanction. If somebody is not doing something, so he will be punished. So that is sanction. So then comes military or defense. So sanction is another method of foreign policy. Military or defense, we all know that every country has its own military or defense power, so that protects or defend the country. That is another method of foreign policy. Intelligence, we all know that the intelligence agencies in different countries that also play an important role in making foreign policy. The foreign aid, if some country is, we all know that it is the internationally approved agreement, if some country is facing some natural disaster, or we can say some, for example, the earthquake or some other disaster, some flood condition, or some other, like for example, we can say that the corona pandemic situation that is around the world right nowadays. So in foreign aid, if some country is giving foreign aid to another country, that is another method of foreign policy, and plays a vital role in maintaining, sustaining the foreign policy. So the next is global environmental policy. We all know that United Nations chartered, like for example, all the countries that are the member of United Nations charters, if they have a policy, they have a policy that is globally around the world and that is related to the environmental policy, and all countries have to fulfill it. That is another method of foreign policy, because through this policy all countries can sign the pact, memorandum or treaty or an agreement, so that they can enter into the foreign policy method and they can maintain the relations with each other at international level, and in this way through international policy they can fulfill their domestic